Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you my favorite kettlebell exercises that you can do if you're new to kettlebell training. Kettlebell exercises are great when you're trying to build strength, increase stamina, or coordination. These are the exercises that I did when I started training with kettlebells and still do until this day. If you incorporate some of these exercises in your workout routine, you will see significant results and improvements in your performance and physique. Now, get your kettlebell and let's get started. enjoy this video. Please let me know what exercise is your favorite down in the comments below. Please support our channel by subscribing and ringing the bell icon on. It will help us grow so we can make more videos like this. Until next time, bye-bye.